Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be unboxing the new 2020 MacBook Pro, which I just got. I want to say in the mail, but I didn't actually get it in the mail. I went to the post office myself, stood in line, waited for the queue, went to customs, paid some money, and then got it, then took a 30-minute bus ride home. But yes, we'll be unboxing this new MacBook. So I was using the 2014 13-inch MacBook Pro, and recently my keyboard had some issues, so the E key and I think the T key were sticky and I couldn't get anything wrong. You'll be surprised how many words in English have E and T in them. Just try typing the comments without actually using E or T in your sentence and you see what I'm talking about. So this finally came in. I got this from Swapper, and Swapper does not ship internationally, but it does ship to the US, so I shipped it to a US mailbox and it finally got here. It took about like a week or two, but anyway, I digress. So I'm so excited I get to unbox it. This is the first time I'll ever be unboxing anything Apple new. I usually get my things fairly used because it's slightly cheaper. But let's get started. So I've watched way too many unboxing videos and I feel so much pressure right now, but okay, let's get started. I guess this is the tape, so I am failing at this. All right, so we have the wrapper off. I'm going to throw this away and then later I'll pick it up. So this is the box, and let's do this. That feels like it's in slow-mo, but it's in real time. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. All right. Wow. So yeah, I got it in space gray, and yeah, I decided to go with space gray instead of silver this time around because my last one was silver and I just feel like space gray has like a more luxury feel to it. So yeah. All right, so I usually see people smell. It has a smell. I can't describe it. There's nothing I know that smells like that. So this is it. And if you're somebody that is into specs, so I'm going to read out the specs. It's 13-inch, 2.0 gigahertz, quad core, Intel Core i5, 16 gig of memory, 512 gig internal space, and 4 Thunderbolts, 3 USB-C ports. I think the thing I'm going to miss the most is that this does not have like anything, and I would need to get dongles to work with it. So yeah, that my old MacBook had way more things. So this is the charger. It comes wrapped in something. How do you peel this exactly? Okay. Well, sorry to the person who thought this should be a nice experience. I just literally tore the wrap. There is a manual which I will not read, and Apple stickers. So if I do get a case, I plan on getting a case because the last laptop I used, I scratched it. It's an abomination to even talk about. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you my old MacBook Pro, and you see the tattooedness that I've done. So this is the charging. They call it charging brick. It's just a charger, and this is the. You can tell I've never unboxed anything Apple before because I'm not even really sure how any of this works. So this is the new USB-C cable. It's fairly thick, it's thicker than the other one that I have for the 2014. So let me get my 2014 MacBook. All right, so this is my 2014 MacBook. You can tell I got a little excited to get the MacBook because I just put so many stickers on it. So this is the one that has the issue currently where the keyboard is sticking, so the E and the T's are not working. So let's see a size comparison. Well, there's not much difference. So, well, you know. So my friend got the 2018 version, and I remember seeing hers being very thin, but now that I'm looking at mine, it feels like mine is a bit thicker than hers, but it's still smaller than the old Mac. So this is the 2014, and it has more ports. So it has more ports here than the new 2020 that just, well, came with 4 ports literally. So this is the old MacBook. It has served me. I got this 2018 September, and it's almost 2 years. And this is a 2014 MacBook, and I didn't get it new. Someone else had used it for some years, and then I bought it from them. So it has really served me, and I'm going to miss this book, but you know, we move on. So let's open the new one. Awesome. So I'm going to take this out now. Oh yes, that is some nice wrapping. That's so cool. I am not even going to put this MacBook on this surface because I don't want it to scratch. I've been too lazy to order my case from Amazon, but I'll do that this week because I don't want this one to scratch. And in case you're wondering, I got this for 1530, that's 1,530 USD, brand new. As you can see, I've got out of the box, which is cheaper than Apple's website. I don't know how the guy makes profit, but I absolutely love the space gray because I feel like it looks more luxury and it looks much nicer. So we're going to open it, and this is, once you open it, it starts booting. So you see here the Apple logo is showing and it's booting, and then I can take this off. Ooh, fresh screen. Something I want to say, obviously Apple is not watching this, but can they please make their cameras better? Like, they have some of the best cameras on their iPhones, and the camera on the MacBook is still ridiculous. Like,
to use English as the main language, press the return key.
Okay. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to set it up. But before I get started, I'm just quite excited because I have the touch bar now. My previous laptop didn't have a touch bar, and the trackpad actually looks bigger than I remember. We've got speakers on the side, and the escape key is back. There's also a fingerprint sensor, a dedicated fingerprint sensor here, and the okay. Before I turn my laptop to speak Italian as its default language, I would think I have to pick language, but I'm excited for the keys because the 2018-2019 had the butterfly keys, which I didn't get to experience, but everybody says this one is better, so I'm so excited. I highly recommend getting, like, I don't know who's watching this really, but I like getting my devices from Swapper because you can actually get a new device for way cheaper. On Apple's website, this same laptop is about 2,300 USD, and I got this for 8,530, I think. Oh no, sorry, wrong pricing. It's 8,799 USD for the base model, and I got this for 8,500, and well, I saved 200 bucks. I don't need Apple Care because there's no Apple store here. We don't have any Apple thing, so Apple Care means nothing to me. If it gets spoiled, Belema will take care of it, not Apple. So I don't need Apple Care. And yeah, I'm excited because I actually procrastinated on work today to go get this laptop. So I'm going to set it up. Going to select English, UK.
Use British English as the main language. Press the return key.
Okay, and let's see. So I just finished setting everything up, so I'm back on the home screen. I'm going to purge this entire bottom part of my desktop because I don't need that much icons. But this is it. This is the 2020 MacBook Pro 13-inch. I really like it. It feels bigger, even though it's smaller. It feels bigger than the other MacBook. So I can't wait to actually get started. I have work to do, so I'm going to be editing this video here, and I will also like migrate all my files folders. That's going to take a while, so I'm going to do that off camera, but I'm very excited. The only thing I'm actually considering now is either getting a 16-inch version. I'm going to use this and try it out. One of my friends said that he wants to get the 16-inch version, so when he gets his, I'm going to see which one I like best, and if I like the 16-inch, I think I might migrate. But right now I'm really craving an iPad Pro, so I'm just giving you, gift ideas for Christmas. Send Bellaman iPad Pro. My PO box is always open. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment telling me what you liked about this MacBook and which laptop you guys use. I switched to Apple a couple of years back, and I don't think I'll ever go back to a PC. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.
You're not telling iPad 2020.
They will go by iPad 2070. They crazy.
Yeah, put it down. Yeah, put it in the bloopers.
Bloopers, yeah. All right, love.